Hi guys, I'm Sophia from Wild Horses, and I'm going to be discussing with you an issue which we believe is really important and needs to be brought out into the open and discussed, and solutions found to this really serious issue. Women facing discrimination in the workplace as a result of having a child or being pregnant. Currently in Australia, every second woman who goes back to work or is working who falls pregnant or has a child faces discrimination in the workplace. The statistics reveal that 58% of women who are discriminated against lose confidence and self-esteem as a result. You're probably thinking, hey, aren't there laws out there that protect women from discrimination? Well, yes, there are. In Australia, there is some laws which are really good, such as the Sex Discrimination Act, which actually makes it illegal to discriminate against a woman when she becomes pregnant in a workplace, for potential pregnancies, returning to work after she's had a child, and also to do with breastfeeding. So that's great. There are some great laws. However, the reality is that when a woman either becomes pregnant or after she has a child, she's often in a vulnerable position, especially financially. So dealing with these issues is where the problem lies. And even though it has been found that when women do bring these issues out in the open, they are dealt with, it actually takes the woman to have to bring it out in the open for them to be dealt with. Otherwise, it will be swept under the rug. So that is where the problem lies. And we at Wild Horses do understand that it is a very difficult time emotionally when a woman goes through this. And so even though it might be easy to walk away, we would encourage women to still try to challenge their employer and take any legal options if they are available for her, because we do need to keep tackling this issue.
Hi, I'm Pam, the Health Babe, and also one of your Wild Horses. And we here at Wild Horses believe that women are the most under-resourced tool in the workplace. Working moms are multitasking superstars. If they can manage a household and children 24 hours a day, they can certainly manage a fleet of people. Because being a mom is the most difficult job in the world, yet it's not recognized. So moms, it's time that you change your title on that resume to reflect all of this and call yourself a momager, a title that describes your superstar qualities and shows how brilliant you are at managing people. Because in a capitalist society, which is all about the bottom dollar and getting things done, making money, women certainly know how to get things done. And we believe in Wild Horses, things need to change. Women need to be seen as the most useful resource in the workplace, as opposed to being a burden. Wild Horses believes that the workplace needs to come up with innovative ideas of incorporating mothers into the workplace. A workplace that offers flexible solutions, thinking outside of the box in order for this to happen. Because in a capitalist society that was created by men for men, well, let's be honest, it doesn't really cater to women's needs. However, imagine if the workplace could fit in with women's needs. Imagine if a capitalist society could shift somehow and include women in that process of working out how to set up the workplace. Wild Horses wants women and men to visualize this and think about how different society could be if organizations were structured differently. So women could naturally fit in and not have to struggle with the constant guilt of having a child and then thinking, where do I leave my child when I go to work? Or what do I do if I'm at home looking after my child and not getting paid for work? Being a mother is a tough situation to be in, because women, especially mothers, have to compromise when they're at work or when they're at home. They're often feeling stressed or guilty that they're not getting paid when they're at home, and vice versa when they're at work because they're not around their child when they really want to be. So remember, being a mother is a job. It's the most important job on the earth, but capitalist society doesn't value it. Hence, mothering duties are just not paid for, which isn't fair. Mothers are the foundation of society, and we at Wild Horses believe it's time that society recognizes this and recognizes how important mothers really are.